Here are these units again. Here's a Bryant. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. It's from 2003 and it's a 4-ton. Data sheet on that one's faded. But I'm guessing it's probably the same as that one. GE fan motor. And then there are some refrigerating components right there. I think that one's running. And then here are 2 Rheem Corsairs. (2004) 5-ton. Pretty sure that one's the same. GE fan motor. I think it has a benchmark scroll compressor. And then here are 2 Lennox units. This one's running. It has a Century fan motor. It's from 2008 and it's a 5-ton. And then there are some Rheems right there. And that one's running. Oh, suction line's frozen. (2008) 5-ton. Copeland scroll compressor. Here's a Rheem unit. (2006) 5-ton. Here's another Rheem unit. Here's a Lennox unit. It's from 2009 and it's a 3.5-ton. There's a Weather King over there. It's not running. I think it has a benchmark scroll compressor. It's from 2007 and it's a 4-ton. Here's a Bryant unit. I think it's from 2003, and it's a 3.5 ton. Here are these units. And then there are those two. And this one looks like it's moved off its pad a little. Anyways, thanks for watching.